Today we're going to be showing you a highly competitive gaming setup that costs $350.
And you can insert any gaming PC you want into this setup to have an awesome gaming experience. We'll talk about that after a word from today's sponsor.
Today's video is brought to you by World of Warships, a highly detailed naval warfare multiplayer game that is free to play. Beyond having top-notch graphics with more than 40 unique maps with dynamic weather and realistic textures, World of Warships also has a super active community that brings players of all types together. The best part is, new content is released every month. Whether it be new ships, in-game nations, cosmetics, or even ship classes, you can always count on enjoying fresh gameplay experiences that expand upon the already massive catalog of content. And from September until the end of the year, players will embark on a multi-month adventure packed with exclusive missions, rewards, and challenges to celebrate the 10th anniversary of the game. Join today with the invite code XVoyage and instantly unlock the Japanese Tier 3 cruiser Tenryu, 20 days premium account time, a port slot, and a commander. Plus, you can complete the anniversary missions to earn even more rewards, including the US Tier 7 cruiser Boys, 7 super containers, 40 million credits, 1 million elite commander XP, 600,000 free XP, and 25 rare spendable economic bonuses of each type. And if you've played before, there's also special win-back rewards available only during the anniversary event, including exclusive camouflages, anniversary containers, and premium time just for logging in. So join World of Warships today using code XVoyage, and check out the links in the description down below for more information. Now, let's get back to the video.
So this one's targeting you gamers out there, especially the ones who don't have tons of money to spend, but you want some of the best gear possible. None of this stuff is sponsored. This is all stuff that was handpicked from things that we have seen on the channel that we've really liked. So we got lightweight mouse, we got 8K polling rate, we got Hall effect, we got 280 Hertz, we have all the bells and whistles here. But let's talk about the PC that's going to power this setup.
Now guys, just like you at home, this PC is free because we got it from ToastyBros, and the rest of our setup is only $350, so the PC is free. I'm just kidding, guys. This video is one we like to do where we do the setup as the main price of the video and just focus on you putting your gaming PC that you just freshly built into that setup. So whether you're spending $1,000 on this PC right here, which you can buy at ToastyBros.tech, featuring the following parts: the Ryzen 5 9600X, a RTX 5060 MSI gaming, 32 gigs of DDR5 memory, a 1TB Gen 4 Timetech SSD, an MSI Pro B650M V1 micro ATX motherboard, a Roswell VSB 650W power supply that's 80 plus bronze, and this awesome Johnsville V12 case, which I'll say is one of the most unique cases on the market right now. It is a bit of a premium case, coming in at over $100, around $130 to be exact, and it's cool. It's micro ATX, and it has this nice single piece of glass that makes it look, well, very unique compared to other cases on the market. You can copy this PC if you want to, or you can buy a pre-built from ToastyBros. You don't have to worry about anything else, but really this whole setup is focused around you putting your gaming PC in this setup, and let's go and talk about the stuff that makes up that setup.
So the star of this competitive setup, of course, has to be the monitor. This is a KTC monitor that was $136, and you're probably like, what does that get you? It gets you a 27-inch 1080p VA panel, and this is 280 Hertz, and it actually looks really good, but you guys will get to see that when we start gaming. It's 350 nits, so we only have it up to about 85% brightness. It still has more brightness to go, and you know, it's not an OLED, but it's $136. If you want to get an OLED, you're going to be spending about triple that. So this is pretty sick. I mean, most people would spend this whole budget on just their monitor, but we have everything for $350. Now attached to our monitor is HyperX. This is the HyperX Cloud Alpha Gaming, and this is a $70 headset. And this one kind of caught my eye because I liked that this part was aluminum and not plastic, although the headset does still have plastic on it. It seems like it's a pretty good looking headset. Matt and I actually switched to a HyperX Cloud headset for our main benchmarks, and it feels really good. I mean, it's like literally a cloud on your head. Oh, this is really noise canceling. I feel like I'm gonna start yelling. It does have a detachable mic, which I always appreciate because a lot of you gamers are gonna run a nice audio setup where you're gonna have an actual dedicated mic, but you got the option. Another thing that's kind of cool is we don't even have enough room to show. Look, we're connected to the PC right now, Jonah. This is crazy. So it actually comes with two cables, a single, so if you just wanna run it straight off your PC, not use your mic, you're good to go, but then it comes with an adapter that makes it go into an audio in and audio out, so you can talk to your friends and also hear, and it has inline audio controls. We got a mute button, and we also have volume up and down. Seems like a pretty good headset for $70, but we're gonna fully test it in the gaming section. Now for the keyboard, this is the Yunzii RT80, and I'm really excited about this keyboard for multiple reasons. Number one, it's Hall effect, okay? So it comes in at about $70 at the time of filming this video. That's already a pretty good price for Hall effect, but notice there's no wires. It is a wireless Hall effect 8K polling rate keyboard. Now I will say, it probably is only going to be 8K when it's plugged in. I don't know for sure, we'll fact check. So we're gonna run it wireless. It'll probably be at 1 or 4K polling rate. That's fine for us. We're not the most competitive gamers. So you know, it's USB-C. It's attachable. You can plug it in. You can leave it unplugged, whatever you guys want to do. It does have multi-height adjustable feet. It's hot swappable, so you can put other HyperX switches in there. Let's see what this actually comes with, because I honestly don't even know which switch it is. So we have confirmed this is a KS20 white Gatoron switch, and it's a linear switch just like any other HyperX, and it seems to feel and sound pretty good. We'll get a full like typing test. No, we won't. I mean,
Yeah, we can.
oh, do we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Jonah's gonna do typing test? Jonah, do typing test. Sounds pretty good to me, and it is fully customizable in RGB too. Like, you got a little RGB ring around the side, and we got RGB on the keyboard. This is pretty crazy. I mean, this is some insane value. Yunzii's definitely always changing the game when it comes to their gaming keyboards. Now, the mouse that we went with, I'm excited about. This is Mchose, which we've actually taken a look at some of their products recently. This is the M7 Ultra coming in at about 56, 57 bucks, and this is a lightweight gaming mouse that is 8K polling rate, and that's pretty awesome. It's wireless 8K. You can run it in Bluetooth, you can run it in 2.4, or you can run it direct connect with USB detachable C. It has 2 macros on the side, and it feels good. It reminds me a lot of actually a Logitech mouse. It has a fairly large hump, so for the people out there with like larger hands, or the people who are used to larger mice, because I know a lot of these new lightweight mice, they're small, and that's one of the ways they get them light. So I like this mouse a lot. This feels a lot like my super light at home. So this mouse comes in at 53 grams. It has a TTC gold wheel encoder. It uses Omron optical micro switches, and it has the PAW 3950 sensor. So for that price, it seems like a pretty good mouse, but once again, we'll be testing it. Now for the mouse pad, this is a typical Amazon special. I don't even know the brand name of it. They just call it the Dragon Black Mouse Pad Library XXL. It came in at about 17 and some change. So it's a very cheap mouse pad. We'll have a link down below, and all the links are affiliate links, so they do help us out. But this mouse pad had a ton of different themes to it, the company did. And I really like this one. I think it's kind of a cool like dragon library theme. We even made the desktop background kind of like a dragon as well, using Wallpaper Engine. Added a little fake plant, which technically, this is not in the budget, but Matt did point out, I spent, what was it, $339?
Yes.
And we're calling it $350, so I'm okay with having this fake plant here. This is gonna be a pretty baller setup, guys, for this price.
And we're focusing on competitive gaming, so we're gonna play a lot of esports titles in this video, so let's get to testing and see if we can game on it.
We are now in Marvel Rivals, which is definitely a competitive title. We'll be loading up some other ones too, but right now, we're running some interesting settings because it looks great. We're running DLSS unbalanced with super res to 80%. We were using 3 times frame gen, and we're running like medium settings. We got ray tracing on. The game looks great, and it's funny because you can see we're getting 111 FPS, but we're actually seeing like 300 close to. Sometimes we're dropping down to like 270, but as long as we're close to that 280 refresh rate, I feel good. And I mean, I gotta say, this feels so incredibly smooth. I know you guys are only seeing like, you know, 60 FPS, but I feel like I'm seeing the future right now.
You're seeing the future.
And yeah, it's very responsive. Like, don't be fooled by the frame gen and DLSS. Like, I know it is a competitive game, so technically, sure, you can go low settings, which we'll probably try out in like CS. You know, we'll probably run that and try to get a native, probably 300 to 400 to 500 FPS even. But the 5050 is a very capable GPU. Don't be fooled by it. You know, I know it only has 8 gigs of VRAM, but esports, it don't need a lot of VRAM. I need heals, teammates. I need heals. Thank you. The mouse feels really good. Like I said, I prefer a large mouse. They do consider this to be a big mouse, and wireless all the way. I don't like being tethered and having a cable in my mouse anymore. And the keyboard, I don't really care if it's wireless, but it is cool. It adds to the cleanliness, and it feels so good. I mean, the fact that we're at a point where you can pay $60 to $70 to get a keyboard that's this nice, Hall effect, full RGB, even RGB on the sides, is freaking crazy.
I do love that Steam overlay showing real FPS versus frame gen FPS.
No, it's honestly, it's a cool feature.
Yeah, so if we're playing competitive setup, we gotta be incredibly toxic.
We should do a mic test. We don't ever do those.
Call outs, comms.
Chat, can you hear me, guys? I'm gonna pull out my calc. That's slang for calculator. Whenever I hit these shots, the way I'm about to ult them is gonna be insane.
Again.
Didn't get that.
Again.
Can I do this? Is this cheating?
Oh,
it's not. No, I missed. I missed. You know, gonna say the only thing I haven't really commented on, well, two things, is the mousepad feels pretty good. It's a cheaper mousepad, but I'm also not a like mousepad enthusiast for the most part, unless it's really grippy or something. They all feel about the same to me. The monitor feels amazing too. Like, it looks good for a VA panel, and being 280 hertz, I feel no ghosting, like nothing wrong with it. It's really bright. It's typical HyperX quality. I feel like HyperX makes pretty good stuff for the price. It's time, yeah, we need to get the glass mousepad competitive setup where we have to use our arm sleeve and everything. Wouldn't that be so sick? Having to put an arm sleeve on for every gaming session.
I would love that. Just bullying them back into their spawn. Oh!
Competitive.
Ah!
Oh my god.
When the competitive juices are flowing, you just go, ah!
I'm curious to see what you think, Matt. I feel like you're going to hit the most shots you've ever hit in CS. You know what? Load up a full game.
Full game of CS? Oh.
You need to really feel it. Ooh, look, we even got the enemy team saying bad things to each other. That's a competitive setup, guys. We got the enemy team to crash out. Let's go and go to the next game.
All right, guys, as somebody who has given up the drug that is competitive games, I really don't play them that much anymore. Unless we're on the giveaway streams over on twitch.tv/ToastyBros, where we give away a gaming PC every month. Go follow, guys, and we play a lot of games. I'm playing good old, I don't have to hit function, CS2 on low settings, 1080p. It looks like low settings, but I'm trying to get a competitive gaming experience, and we're getting about 400 FPS here, and it's looking pretty smooth. First impression, I was messing with this mouse before we started filming, and I like the mouse. It has like a hump to it that I'm not used to because it's very Logitech-esque, but to be fair, I don't really daily drive a Logitech mouse. I use like, what am I using? The SteelSeries Aerox right now?
And the IPI float here.
Yeah, and they're all like the lightweight whole mouse like design. So this one's pretty solid though. I like it. Feels lightweight enough, especially running the sensitivity. Feel pretty good. Being able to flick it around and my wrist isn't gonna fall off. Keyboard feels good. I mean, it's wireless Hall effect. Again, as a non-avid competitive gamer, I have never even thought about touching my polling rate on my keyboard. So it's one of those things where it feels good. I would have fun gaming on it, and I don't feel at a competitive disadvantage, especially at my skill level, to play the games I want to play, and that should be the opinion of most of you watching this video, let's be honest here. Mousepad's nice. I like these big mousepads, regardless of what design you get. No, Jackson mentioned you can get whatever you want. You get an all-black mousepad, you can get a design like this if you like the aesthetic of it, but it's big, it glides pretty well, and yeah, I could daily drive this mousepad, no problem. And the monitor, lastly. At 1080p on a 27-inch display, you are pushing that pixel density a little bit, but, dang, oh god, just hit those right there. But it still looks fine for me for competitive games, and as I get older, I do start to appreciate bigger monitors, even at lower resolutions like this. And we're talking about $130 for 280 hertz. Like, if you told me that a few years ago, I wouldn't have believed you, because monitors like this have gotten so cheap. And KTC has been a company we worked with a lot that has been able to push the boundaries of these monitors. Oh, and the headphones. That's the other thing I didn't know. Oh, that guy's got some skill there. That guy has a higher polling rate than me. But the headset sounds good, and Jackson mentioned we've been using this version of this headset. I think we got the all-black version on our benchmarking setup for the past month or so, and I've been very happy with it. Comfort good, sound good. If you're looking for a gaming headset, it's solid. I'm an IEM guy myself, and if I'm not using an IEM, I'd probably pick a headset like this because they're pretty dang comfy. Ooh, all right, so let's do a trifecta here. 2, that person was standing still, but that counts. 3, switch to the bonus weapon. 4. Hey, there you go, guys. CS2 runs great. Obviously, that's kind of what you expect for a setup like this, especially with a PC at this price point and spec range. Let's move on to the cartoon version of this game. I mean, you could say this is a cartoon version, but you know, it's even more cartooned.
We are now playing another competitive game, Valorant. We got another competitive esports for y'all, and believe it or not, we're actually running high settings right now, and we are currently getting 500 FPS, give or take.
That's a lot of FPS.
Pretty insane, guys. Not really much more you could ask for. I mean, I guess, hey, you can run low settings if you want to, but when we're getting milliseconds like this, where we're talking like 1 or 2 and 400 or 500 FPS, what more could you ask for?
Obviously, this PC, if you do get this PC or the spec range with this setup, can play higher end games if you want to. Like, I mean, some single player, some AAA titles. I mean, because when you want to take a break from getting headshotted by some god tier gamers, you know, you go play something a little more calm. You do have that option as well, but again, that all depends on the PC. And since we're mainly focused competitive gaming with this setup, you know, you can do anything else after that.
Oh. No!
Ooh.
Don't do this. Don't do this to me. Haha. Oh. He. Oh, Klaus. They only need 2 more. Oh, they need 1 more. Oh, it was me.
Oh, you got.
Oh, all right. Definitely competitive. I'm not good, but the setup's good.
Fortnite time! Alright guys, we're in Fortnite! Woohoo! Running DX12, far view distance and low textures, and we're hitting 200 FPS right now, ladies and gentlemen. In the top right corner you can see the little FPS counter that we have, but hey, we could run performance mode, get even higher FPS, but that all depends on your PC. But this is the Blitz mode, which makes you have to be a real gamer. You have to run around super quick and stuff. Oh! Yeah, you're done!
Heck yeah.
Oh! Let's go, Anonymous. I felt like a gamer.
I'm gonna have ammo pretty easy in this mode.
16. Oh, what is happening over here? Oh. You know, shout out Fortnite. I feel like competitive games like this need more really fast modes, like little, like fast-paced VRs, because I know a lot of people who enjoy the VR genre but just don't have a lot of time and don't want to invest into like one drop. You know, it's kind of where you can just keep going. Fast.
We need more resurgence-like modes.
Yeah. This one's even faster than Resurgence. Resurgence, like, you just keep coming back over and over and over again, and it can be kind of, you know...
repetitive.
Yeah, this one, you can, like... I mean, I've been playing for, what, 4 minutes, and we're almost to the end? Like, that's pretty sick. Oh!
You better be back in the lobby.
Why does it take so long to reload? Wow! Hey, Fortnite, good experience. Overall, I think this setup for $350 is really dang good. Put in whatever PC you want and you'll have a good experience. But let's wrap this video up because we've had a lot of fun getting competitive gaming and I need to chill. Touch my plant.
Blood pressure's rising. Well, that was a good amount of competitive games, guys, and I gotta say, the setup itself was amazing. Matt and I, we're not the greatest at the competitive games, but we think that for the right type of people out there who don't have thousands of dollars to spend on their setup, and you know, you're not trying to budget for an OLED monitor, this is definitely the way to go.
So yeah, for $350, we're very happy with this setup overall, and whatever gaming PC you put in this setup, I think you're gonna be very happy. So if you guys want to start shopping on Amazon today for all the parts in today's video, link description down below will be affiliate links, and it will help us out. Let us know what you think of this setup for $350. Are you considering copying it at home? Let us know.
And as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you check out our other 2 YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
Now, this full gaming setup will actually be for sale locally at PCBros.tech. You can come in person and buy this stuff today, and the PC will be for sale.
PCBros.tech. You can buy this, bunch of stuff at PCBros.tech, including laptops and ToastyBros merch. If you want merch, look at the walls. They're everywhere. Use code ToastyBros on checkout. You will save 3% of your next purchase. See you guys later. Goodbye.